DIY Beetroot Face Cream for whiter and glowing skin. Easy and effective. Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say that I'm feeling so pretty today with my pink, fair, and glowing skin. Let me show it off a little more because I just love it so much. There's really something about rosy cheeks and radiant skin that make us feel good both inside and out, right? So if you want to take your clear skin to the next level, this DIY beetroot face cream recipe will make your clear skin whiter, fairer, and more radiant than ever. Let's get pretty right here, right now. Step 1. Peel a piece of beetroot. Let's start with a piece of beetroot. Make sure to peel off everything because we want a smooth texture for our face cream later on. Beetroot is the star of the face cream because this is a tried and tested ingredient to make your skin look glowing and healthy. Step 2. Grate the beetroot. Now we're going to grate this piece. Beetroots are so rich in vitamin C, which helps in removing blemishes. It can even out your skin tone, which will make you look less dull and more glowing than ever. Step 3. Squeeze the juice from the grated beetroot. It's easier to place it in a strainer than just press the juice out. Save the juice because that's what we'll use for our face cream. It's actually a pretty cute color for a DIY face cream, isn't it? Step 4. Mix a dollop of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice. Just mix the two until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now, I used aloe vera for the mix because I just love that it's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamin A and C. These ingredients help remove acne and hydrate your dry skin for a more supple finish. See? That's the texture we want to achieve. Step 5. Apply it all over your face and leave it overnight. Now, it's time to gently smother this beauty cream all over your face. So easy, accessible, and affordable, right? After, you can now enjoy a whole night of beauty rest. Just let it stay for the whole night, so when you wake up, enjoy that smooth, rosy, and glowing skin. When you see your face so fresh and radiant in the morning, I'm sure you'll be in a good mood the whole day. I hope you had fun with our beauty sesh, ladies. Keep your skin pink, fair, and glowing all day, every day, with this beetroot face cream. Bye!